All right, so today I want to share something I consider to be pretty exciting that I've been building for a couple days, and it is natural language processing querying on the Tableau Superstore data. So I'm just going to start out with a question. We can use standard English language to create a query on the data. So I'm just going to start out with an easy one and look for annual sales. And if I submit that, this is going through the OpenAI API. And what we're going to get back is a description of how OpenAI processed that question and the query that was created, and then the results. So you've got 2014 at 484, 247. And I actually put this in Tableau just to kind of confirm that this was querying correctly. So I'll pull that over. Doesn't look like I can get them together very well, but you can see 2014, 484, 247, 2015, 470, 532, and then 16 is 609, 206. So we're looking good there. Let's try another question here. Let's do who are the top buyers. Submit that. So this is processing real time on I've uploaded that data source into Postgres. All right, so the return we get, it says this query and identifies top buyers based on total sales, and we get the query. It's going to be customer name, sum of sales, and then group by customer name, order by total sales. We can see Sean Miller is at the top, then Tamara Chand, Raymond, and we get their amounts here. And if I want to verify that, I can see those here as well. So Sean Miller, Tamara Chand, Raymond Bush, and let's give it another, maybe a more difficult question. Let's say, where are the outliers in my data? So OpenAI is going to interpret this how it would, and then create a SQL statement based on that interpretation of what I am asking. So that interpretation is that it's going to, to find those outliers, it wants to calculate z-scores for any numerical column. So it shows sales, quantity, discount, and profit. And it's looking for outliers where the absolute z-score exceeds 3. So it's taken that and created the query, and we start to see the rows and the data that it determines are outliers. So I don't have this one built into Tableau. It's just something I thought of there. And so, but with this I could look through these orders and determine what about them is causing them to be an outlier. Maybe one more question that I like. Let's do, what are the products my top buyers purchase? Maybe, is there any overlap? No. Okay, it says it's going to calculate top buyers based on total sales and then find the products, and then it will check any overlap by identifying products purchased by more than one top buyer in their orders. So here's the query, and it's identified these products as those that are cross-purchased by the top buyers based on total sales of the buyer. So let's see. Let's remember that advanced copier. Let's just see what are my top buyers purchasing. Submit that, and we're going to get back. Okay, yeah, we see that. The advanced copier was that top product, and we see Tamara, Raymond, Tom, Hunter, who are all top buyers based on total sales, all purchased that advanced copier. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'll probably do a longer tutorial on this and post it on YouTube. But for now, I just wanted to get this out there. I think it's pretty cool and fun to play around with. Thanks for watching.